want to find my chat windows and whatnot. All right, so what was it? Tuesday, August 4th. I want this to be a quick video. I just want to kind of go over what I'm doing, what I'm thinking, and right now I'm starting with the SPY. Give me a minute here. So the market, closed at its high today. It's really like an unbelievable day, and I actually went short. I went short today, and I know I say in my videos, man, I ain't going short. It's gonna kill me, but because matter of fact, not just me, anybody went short. You basically got destroyed if you tried it anywhere from the bottom in March. What was that bottom? Yeah, in March, and unless you successfully timed it, unless you had a perfect entry. Something flying around here. Tweet. Okay. I'm watching something like fly around or something. Unbelievable. All right. All this house, if you want to fly somewhere else. Something, I don't know if it's dust. I don't know what the hell it is. All right. So here we go. Got to pull up my comments. Sorry. I'm going slow, y'all. Sorry. There we go. The jewelry box. Hey, babes. Oh, man. All right. So we up 164. Every day's been exactly the same. I think the Nasdaq's up 5 days in a row now, even though after all the big four, reported. So Nasdaq's up 0.35. This went negative and it was all over the place today. S&P's up, VIX is down. The usual. VIX is down is nice. It kind of made me not want to really go short, but I did it anyway. We're looking at the minute S&P, and I just noticed, where did I get short? I think after one of the first tumbles. One of the things I was thinking at is when Amazon was down, I think it was yesterday, right? And the market was up huge, and then it was up today and reversed. And I was like, you know what? I don't like the way that looks. So I think I'm going to get out of my position, which a lot of them just closed out on its own because I reached the target. And I was like, man, take a little short position because I was planning on doing anyway after the FANG reports, because I'm like, there's more catalyst. Okay, so the catalyst we got is, I guess, the what's the plan? When you get the money, the stimulus package, and I'm like, really, that's about it, man. I mean, and even with the stimulus, we know what that's going to be. But then again, part of me thinks, it's not going to get done. Part of me thinks the Democrats don't have any incentive to negotiate. Why would they want to negotiate? I know they should be working for us people, but you know what their agenda is. And I'm not trying to give you my political bias, but this is what it is. I mean, that party's trying to get, Trump out of there, so. What they have no incentive to negotiate, and anything that happens will make them look bad, so you can get them out, right? So that's how I'm kind of looking at it. So let's see what happens if they're really for the people, or if they're not, because the people need help. It's bad out there, but the market goes up every day, so we know there's a disconnect. Anyway, what about Tesla? We could pull it up, and I had some problems yesterday. And Trucker202, if you in here, man, I hope you comment, okay? Because I need to know if you're not blocked. I worked on that. You shouldn't be. How do you get started in this? Oh, man, you just long story. I can't really. I tell you what, send me an email, emiptv@yahoo, because I can't really turn that video into this video. Oh, if you go back on my channels, I got a video actually on that. Tesla, man. Let's pull it up. Nick, by the way, before we pull up the Tesla, let's pull up Nikola, because they reported today, and you can see they are down. What are they down? The bid is 34.11. They closed at 38. So it's not going to be a good thing. It's not going to be good for them. Let's see, can I detach this window? Make it big. Let's see, we got here to say about there. What is that? About 5% decrease in the after hours. So. All right, we'll pull up Tesla. Tesla's, and I've been looking at this. This is another reason that want to make me go short, because ever since all that hype, they finally got the hype and good report, and it's just been down ever since. I don't know where this one's gonna go. Let's see if it can find some support somewhere and then head back up, kind of like it did here, right? And sure enough, I caught this bottom right here, and I traded it, and I got burned somewhere around here, and then I traded it again right around 1,000, and then I kind of got out over 1,000, and then I let it run without me. That's typical. I work for the hard trades, which is in here, and then the easy trade, I'm out. Gosh, easy trade, buy a call, 2, go to sleep, wake up, you're rich. That's the easy trade. Anyway, you said you bought gold. That's another thing. Gold 821 200. You bought the August 21st 200 call for $1.01. Gold, I think that's right here. I'm gonna pull up the SPY real quick, because gold, I think, hit a important number today. What was it? 2,000 something an ounce. I don't know. I don't have the actual. Is it GC? Yeah, it hit 2,000 an ounce, right? So when you pull up SPY, that's what this dip was about. When you pull up the minute, so we kind of lost it for some reason on that, and then it kind of gained back, and then we closed at a high. Okay, so the S&P's at, closed at its high today. Gold closed at its high today. Bonds closed at its high today. It's not sustainable where every asset class is just up. Maybe oil's up. No, oil's down. But it had a good day. Let me see. Actually, it almost closed at it. So everything is up, right? It's just so. Anyway, I went short. We're gonna look at my positions. So I got out of I'm in Walmart. I'm doing covered calls in Walmart. It was a great day in Walmart, up 450. McDonald's, that trade closed out 182 for the day. I added a Boeing trade. I sold a Boeing put spread, the 145, 140. I forgot how much I sold that for. We can look in here, look at the Boeing for 94 cents, right? So I sold 4 of them for 94 cents. That means each contract is a risk of $4.06. But right now the position's up $52. I'll take it. I'm looking to get out at half. Sold it at 94 cents. So let's see if I can get out at 47 cents, right? To buy it back at 47 cents. Facebook, I'm heavy. Oh, I had the straight long leap calls in Facebook. I had 3 of them. I had a lot more before. Now I had 3 left. I decided to sell the strike right above it, the 350. I sold 3 of them. Let's see if I can get a pullback. I'm actually thinking Facebook may fill in this gap here, at least half of it. I'm just starting to feel that it's been hanging up here, hanging out, and I'm just thinking it might fill that gap at least. So I was like, let me go ahead and cover. Let me sell, because I want to hold on to those leaps. So let me sell some calls against it, nice and tight. And when it gets down there, I'm going to buy them back. Okay, I'm going to buy this back, hopefully for a profit. If it doesn't get down there, well, it's all good. I still make money, and I still make the money, right? As long as Facebook, well, I won't say, they got to close, now that I put it in a spread, they got to close above 340 or whatever, so, but I would close that position early. As long as it moves up, that position is going to make money. On those deep out of the money options. Don't do those too much, but I did it with Facebook. I made most of the money with the closer ones, and now I just kind of left those on for fun. You understand that? Solar panels generate electricity. Simi. Yo, Dre. Errol, what's up, Dre? Errol, what's up, Dre? No. Errol, what's up, Errol? Oh, man. Did we talk about, I want to go back to the gold. I'm just looking at my position. I'm sorry, because we didn't finish getting our thought up on this. And I know, I think exclamation thoughts came in and gave me a comment. I know this is like the hottest thing going. I just don't trade the commodities. Yeah, it should be in it. I personally, if I look at this, I'm like, oh wow, it just kind of sliced right through that. It didn't. There was no resistance at that double top. So, something in me makes me think it's going to pull back. I would like to buy it. If I were to buy it somewhere around these averages, to me, it's got to come in. It's got to come in. Gold will give you the chance. I mean, look at the way it's been trading. It always comes in, right? Now it's like on this crazy run. Crazy. Up 28% in, well, that's 160 days. Actually, that's not that bad. Pull up the weekly. Let's pull it up from here. Yeah, what the hell was I just looking at? Anyway, 40% in 145 days. So I want to see it pull in. I want it to pull in. But this is a great move. That's the monthly. Goes way back here. Yeah, it's just, I don't know. I just don't trade it. But I'm not telling you guys not to trade it. I mean, but look at that, man. Just sliced right through. I think it definitely pulls back to that double top. Can't see it just slicing right through that. And that's all we hear about now is gold. Everybody's talking about it. It just makes me think it's toppy. Although the conditions, the underlying conditions, with the Fed throwing out all kinds of money, stimulus, that's going to make gold go higher, so, and that's what everybody's figuring it out and all that, so. Oh man, the jewelry box. Oh yeah, you see me go. Hey, Dre. All right, let's go back to what else I was trading. Google, I got out. See, I'm down 636 for the day. I would have been up. Google cost me a pretty penny to get out. It cost me $8.70. When I got out, I was actually up, but I got a shitty fill. I knew I was getting a shitty fill, and when they don't let you out and you're kind of paying a good premium to buy it back and there's no takers, kind of tells you that that's the good trade. They don't want to take that money. But sure enough, I got out. If I didn't get out, it would have been worse than that. So I'm glad I got out, and I just took the hit. There was no liquidity in it whatsoever. So I'm a little pissed off about that. And then here's the short. I bought 3 puts, 73 days out, okay, the 268 on the Qs. I was like, do I want to do the SPX or do I want to do the Qs? And I decided to do the Qs just because of the run. See the extension, see the hockey stick. I was like, this is probably, if the market's going to go down, this is going to go down faster and, make some money as it pulls in. I just can't see it going straight up, even though that's what it's doing. I mean, it's been doing it forever. It's just insane, man. It's insane. So it's a very hard trade to do. The Qs. Anyway, so I'm down 175. I was actually up 150 at the time, but that V, so when we look at that minute, and you see that V, the market's still V'ing, right? Everywhere you see is a V. V. Doesn't matter if you pull up the minutes, the 30 minutes, you see these V's all over the place. It kind of tells me it wants to go higher. But, or just somebody's buying. I always say the Fed. I mean, plunge protection team in the house. Anyway, so came up. It's just hanging out right there, right? Man, I got this gnat in here. Just flying around. All of this house. Anyway, so there's the look at that. It's just, I mean, when you zoomed in like this, it just looks like it wants to go higher, but it could fail, and if it fails, it'll come down hard. It's bumped up, and holding, and generally the averages are up. The stock will go up, but I don't know, man. I don't know. I'm just one of the other things that I was checking out. I was looking at some stock to buy. I was going through a lot of stocks today, a lot, and I didn't buy anything because I sold some calls on my other account. I mean, I bought some options back. I made the profit. I was just done. So I was like, I'm just gonna buy stock positions, and there's some stock positions that I like, but I didn't buy any of them because everything is doing a hockey stick going straight up, parabolic. and I just refuse to get into any of them. I'm in some of them already. I sold some. I like Apple. I sold out of Apple today. I'm completely out. I think that's my last. Actually, I might have did it at. Yeah, I think I did it at 439. But this stuff's gotta pull in, man. I can't see us going up 5% every day or whatever. It's just crazy. So, and I'm looking at stocks that I want to get in, and everyone is straight up. I'm just like, this is ridiculous. I'm just not gonna buy anything. And hopefully it comes in. I don't want it to really come in because I'm still long. Don't get me wrong, I'm still long. But I mean, it's just I just never seen nothing like it before. Nobody has. And I'm just gonna stick to what I know. Stocks don't go straight up. Markets don't go straight up, right? And everybody, the frenzy is on. It's on. So you see, it comes down a little bit, and they just correct themselves. Which going correct up to the upside. Anyway, so let's go back to what I was looking at. Of course, Carrier is down $100 today. Even though the stock was up 7 cents, but the options are pricing down 100. And I got out of the learn position, the K12 Incorporated. So that's it. For the most part, the biggest position here, I'm long Boeing, Facebook, short Qs. And the other stuff is in long Walmart. And that's going to be the trade for a little bit. I will probably get blown out of my Qs if the market keeps going up 3, 4, 5% a day. Disney reported after hours, and it's going to be a nice morning for them. I think they're in the Dow. So the Dow is already probably going to be up. They're up 5% in the after hours, trading at 123, closed at 117.29. And then right there, it's up 5.23% in the after hours. I'm long Disney in my one portfolio. They had, they had something going on. They got 100 million streaming subscribers. That's good, but I'm like, that's not going to turn around the company as far as parks being closed and them hardly not making any money in the parks and no studios and you know what's going on with Disney. And then plans to launch a new streaming service, which I didn't know about, so I figured we'll look at this and see what the hell they're trying to do. Together, it says he announced that Disney will launch a new general entertainment streaming service in calendar year 2021 under the Star branded acquired from Fox. The service will feature content Disney already owns from ABC Studios, Fox TV, FX, Freeform, 20th Century Studios, and Searchlight. The service will be fully integrated into Disney Plus in many markets and distributed under the Star brand. So you can see where, looking at this chart, you can see where Netflix is with the subscribers to Disney. And, it's impressive they just opened this last year? Wasn't it last year? Netflix been out forever. Last year, and they already got 100 million versus Netflix's 130. Oh yeah, I'm looking at that. 193 million. Yeah, so it's very impressive. It's not as much as Netflix, but I don't like Disney. I tried it, canceled it. I like Hulu, love Hulu, but the Disney one is not for me. It's too much Disney stuff on it. This one that they're talking about sounds a little bit more exciting, but I didn't like the Disney one. So what do you guys think about that? Anyway, so that's what's up with me. That's what I'm doing. I hope this made a little bit of sense, right? Oh man. Yeah. I'm just looking at, I got all these lines. Let's get rid of them. How about that? So we're looking at the monthly with Disney, and they're going to open up somewhere. It looks like right around that top right here. Maybe it'll go up to this 128 and hold. That's about 50% retracement from the top to the bottom. Exactly, right? Well, no. The 61.8. So I'll probably hang out right here. Might be a nice place to put on an iron condor with this company, because I have a feeling it's just going to pop up and just kind of hang out. We'll see what happens with that. But no, I'm long Disney, and when this stuff is all over with, Disney's going to be rocking and rolling again. It's just, when, when. A lot of people's waiting for the pullback. Like me, I don't know what it actually could be. I just know there's no really catalyst up ahead besides the all sort of vaccine. That's a catalyst, of course. But when we pull, I forgot what I was gonna say. Something about the pullback. Oh, what's gonna be the catalyst to pull it back? I don't know. I think you got the presidency. I think you got the lack of news. Lack of earnings. I think you got jobs. If we don't get a stimulus, just different things like that. Different things like that. I don't know, but I'm just gonna take a chill. I'm gonna chill and take some of the. I made a lot of profits. I'm gonna take them and just kind of be short a little bit. I'll risk losing a little bit. Now hope I don't get blown out. Please don't blow me out. Here, let's look at the SPY because we almost at the all-time high, right? We just got a little bit more to go. And it might just end there. It might continue to push like it did. What is that? Another 3%. Another 3% in the SPY. Disney should help with that tomorrow. And we're at an all-time high. And that could be the trigger, I don't know. But just, man, it's really, really hard for me to buy what's going on. And I bought it from the bottom. Otherwise, I would have no gains. But, man. So, yeah, you see, I'm just turning bearish. The higher we go, I'm just like, are you serious? Really? We just going to keep going up, up, up every day? And everybody's making money. Yeah, everybody's on one side of the boat. And it's never a good thing. It never works out. So, anyway, you see how bearish I am. All right, you guys, man, you don't have anything to say? I didn't see Sparky, man. This is the first time I've seen your name, so I'm glad you're in here. How do you get started in this? Yeah, check out some of my past videos. You can send me an email, emiptv@yahoo. Errol, the jewelry box. Y'all cracking up because I'm like, hi, Dre. Anyway, so that's a quick video. We'll see what happens. Yeah, we'll see what happens. I'm just looking at some of the news. Let me see what the futures trading yet. I don't think so. No, we'll see what happens. And good luck to you guys. Good luck if you're trading, making money. But just be careful. My only advice is, and you shouldn't listen to me because I'm a truck driver. Okay, you'll lose all your money listening to me. But if I give any advice, just be careful with the stocks that are going straight up. By the way, I one of the stocks going straight up is Square, and that one I am in. Okay, I'm in that one. Let's see what happens. They report earnings tomorrow after the bell. So let's see what happens. Am I gonna get crushed? It's not in this portfolio. Another one. Or will it just go straight up like everything else? Take two had a great day today. I got out a little early, and I think they caught a downgrade as well today, but they still closed at its high. Oh yeah, Activision reported today. Let's see what that's doing. Activision is down after the bell. So Activision is down. Now y'all remember, I sat here and told y'all which one I like best. I did not like Activision. All right, I like Take-Two. And I didn't like EA either. So it looks like EA is trading down after the bell as well. So maybe a little sympathy. But I'm not liking that chart as well either. It's just coming up too hard for the perfect double top, But Take-Two, I actually still like it. Even though it's straight up, just any pullback is a buy. It's just gotta come in some, Look at that head and shoulders. That told me everything I needed to know. That reverse head, it was beautiful. They don't come better than that. This was a perfect head and shoulders, So and there's your move. And generally, you know what? They don't just take off and we missed it. It generally comes back in, right? It could possibly test right here, and then bounce up, right, and make that move. So that's what I'm waiting for a lot of stocks. And I think once we get that, I actually think we can go a long ways higher. But these corrections, man, what was that last one? It lasted about a day. When the Nasdaq was down 2 days, almost 3 days in a row, and off to the races again. Off to the races. So, all right, y'all. I am going to look at that volume that's coming in there too. I'm going to end it. So we'll be back tomorrow talking stuff. But for the most part, I'm keeping my positions small. You'll see half of these wiped out tomorrow. So tomorrow you're going to see Walmart, Boeing, Facebook, Qs, Carrier. That's it. Everyone's long except for the Qs. Okay. All right. So I'll talk to you guys later. This is Dre. Dre Trades. Right here on YouTube. Dre Trades. Thanks.